Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to export data from Pipedrive to Excel. All right. First up, log into your Pipedrive account. Now, once you're in here, navigate to the left panel and look for the three dots. Once you have it located, just click on it. And as you can see here, we have the option to export our data. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, make sure that the export format is set to Excel, and you're going to want to select the data which you wanted to export. All right, be leads, deals right here, organizations, people, products, activities, notes, and files. Say, for example, you wanted to export deals. Right here, as you can see, we have a few options into our list of deals or deals with participants only. All right, now once you're good with that, just hit on export. It says here generating export. Now wait for it. As you can see, if it says XLSX, it is an Excel file, right? You see here we have CSV. Now I'm just going to click on the download button right here. Now, for example, I'm going to save it on my desktop so I can easily locate it. Now from here, we can easily rename it. For example, Pipedrive Deals 2025, right there, and hit on save. As you can see here, it's done. Well, we check it out right here on our desktop. Here we have our data in Excel. Gonna open it up. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.